Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, we'll do some business run today in the city. So I just want to take you guys along, family. Today is a day where we have to get some important documents and stuff. So we're going to deal with that today. And we're going to show you what I want, family. So when you come, Jam Tours take you around and tour you around and make sure you get set up and get settled, family. So, getting your SIM, getting a lot of stuff, family. So you just need to tap in at the network, and when you come to Kenya and you see anything you like, just link up with Jam Tours. Jam Tours can actually give you insight and give you the right information, no scamming information, family. So let's go. So I'm there with my Jamaican brother, and we are chill a little bit. We are go actually a Yaya center right now. The Safaricom office to get something set up. So let's go, family. Let's go. Let's roll out and show you what we're actually in Kilimani area, family. So this is what it looks like in Kilimani. As you know, guys, I come from the other side and the Kiembu side. I'm not really regular over this side, but I just want to show you this side. Most likely when you go online and you're booking your Airbnb, you maybe find this is the area you want to come. If you come into Kenya and you want to experience nightlife and stuff for it, you'll find a lot of that over this side, family. My side is a little bit more homey. We still have clubs and stuff on my side, but it's more like for mature people. You'll find, cozy, just chill. But on this side, you find the really young people nightlife and so forth. So, that's all is where you find it, family. So if you are coming to Kenya, you can Kilimani, Lavington, Kilolesha, Riverside, all of them the surrounding Westlands, all of them places like connected to each other, family, and that's where you find, you find the nightlife, you find a lot of city life, family. So, So let's go, family. Let me show you what it looks like over in Kilimani. Let's go. Yeah, family. So we're at a place called Yaya Center. Family, it's Jam Tours' first time in this center, family. So I'm just gonna show it to you to see what they have available here at the Yaya Center. Yaya Center, that's the apartment, Yaya apartment. Alright, family. Let's Eh, oh yeah, sir. Yeah, when you go Barbados, test it out and let me know.
For sure. To work at Tanzania.
Yeah, it'll work at Tanzania for sure. Yeah, it will work.
What do you know today? The thing there, the Safaricom internet and the data work in and everywhere.
Oh, that's what they say?
That's it? Yes, capacity. The smallest option was
the elevator
was 10 gigs. And I said, well, I think these heavy can left for 2 days.
No, that's what option big. No, the biggest option.
No, man. Smallest.
Pay gigabyte internet?
Yeah,
No,
data.
No, man, the smallest.
The biggest one, much bigger. The long sheet, the starting point was 10 gigs.
Also, the junction should be. Oh, this is part of the using.
Yeah.
All words.
How much you pay me?
Yeah, family. So with our Yaya Center. Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So without the GTC building, it's a big place. It's like a Manhattan in Kenya. We also have the food truck right there. You know, that is a partnership with the Chinese. That if you want to get one of these food truck, you can, you know, you can get one of these truck, you know what I mean, to do your food business and stuff. So the guy is saying that there's a partnership with the Kenyan government to bring in these.
You find somewhere else. You find somewhere else. But it's like Jamaican outside. Nice big umbrella.
Yeah, see the umbrella? Yeah.
Covered outside as well. Breeze now, but
Yeah. You see it heavy? Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is like the umbrella where they put over. Like a little dining outside area and stuff. But this food truck is nice, man. Nice food truck in Kenya. It just come at the GTC. It's come at the GTC. And you can check it out and see if you're interested in getting a food truck, family. So, you know what I mean? It's something new. I like it. We have everything inside, very clean and nice, family. So we're there at the GTC, and you know what I mean, deal with some business. So just to show you around. All right, so let's go. Yeah, family. So we finished our business at GTC. So we come back to have some local food. And we there have some local food at a place called Best Swahili and African Dish. So when you come, check out Best Swahili and African Dish. Best Swahili and African Dish. Check them out. Best, that's the number. Call. Yeah? Oh, the gym. A gym not good, sir? Wow, I gym they're close by, man. You can just roll out and come.
oh, that's true.
Them have smoothie there, say now. Right there, so. I may have some 3 tomato from there, so you can check it out. 3 tomato. It's a wild tomato.
Oh.
Nice, man. Yeah, family. So we're there. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. We made our order some local food, so we are wait and see it. Yeah. So my brother from the Caribbean, second time I eat some local food.
Yeah, man. Ready again.
Yeah.
First time was 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
So gone again.
Tilapia, with ugali. You have the brown one? Yeah. So them have white ugali and brown ugali. Yeah.
The white ugali was good.
My brother said the white ugali is good, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's wait and see. something.
Yeah, man. This is the good thing, man. Find a good thing.
Find a good thing. Beetroot.
Beetroot, sugar cane, turmeric, ginger, and lime.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So with fresh juice, shop. Fresh juice. As you can see, fresh. Yeah, family. Kenya, the thing there. And if you're in Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. Link up with One Love Africa. Like, share, and subscribe, family. We're there. We are build it for you. So when you come, it's smooth sailing. Smooth sailing like big ships sailing on the ocean. So right now I'm waiting for my 3 tomato juice. You know, I love the 3 tomato. So it's the real tomato. Yeah, my brother get his beetroot. How it tastes?
Beetroot, ginger, turmeric, sugar cane juice, and lime.
Yeah, yeah.
What? It's like I want a bucket.
Yeah, you can get a buckle. I got me order.
That's all I beat. It's the reddish, light.
Yeah, light. The rest of them have a
Darkish
reddish.
Turmeric, ginger, and ginger champion.
Yeah, man. This is a 3 tomato. Okay, not that red still, but yeah, but in already, yeah.
Yeah, man.
This one good.
Thank you. Let me get
You can get one of that, man.
let me get one of this.
One of that. Yeah, family. So we have a 3 tomato, yeah. Bloody Mary.
Like a beetroot juice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Flush out.
The turmeric butterflies
Yeah, man.
and ginger
The real
butterflies.
thing.
Yeah.
Sweetness.
Champion juice, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Love ginger and turmeric, you know. Once a beetroot mix, a blessing.
Yeah, family. Let me try
Feed
this.
the
now.
body. Yeah,
Yeah, man. Let me try this.
really.
Let me try this.
So that's straight tomato, that?
Yeah, 3 tomato. You want to try it?
Let's keep
No,
turning
so-
up. Let's keep
Tomato,
turning up.
tomato only.
No, with cane juice and something.
Try it now. Thank you, because you're always a bias, you know.
How it is?
But this
Wow.
tastes good, man.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
This tastes good.
Yeah, family.
Yeah.
This wicked, man.
That nice too.
Nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Up here.
Cane juice.
Yeah.
3 tomato.
Yeah, family. 3 tomato. The real tomato.
Yeah.
This tastes good.
Can't complain.
This tastes good. This is proper.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So you know when you come with Jam Tours, you experience things you never experienced before. Yeah. So come tour with Jam Tours. They are finally.
Fish fry.
Oh, my fish man.
You know that fish.
Me had a fish and ugali.
My fish dry.
My fish wet. Always
My
wet.
stuff's
Rich. Yeah, family. So my fish come. And I enjoy this. I like how the sauce look. I like how it look. Small, but
Kilo look, just like the phone. See it? Same size.
so how the fish look?
Can I take out the head and tail? Like, same size?
Serious.
Yeah, it's still already. It's not big on the phone.
Where's the fish phone? So you like the presentation so far, Andre?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Alright.
Don't disappoint me yet.
Yeah. Oh, you like the fish too?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so Ricardo.
With a giant fish now.
What? What you think you do?
Boy, the boy there.
Then that's casino.
Thank you for the kiddo with the stomachy. Kiddo.
Drink, man.
Alright, family.
Don't be shy, man.
Don't be shy.
You hungry? I'll be a speak
That's what the
now.
size to go with the fish come on see.
Yeah, man. First bite of fish in Kenya. First night in fish in Kenya. How it tastes?
Do a video right now.
How it,
Sauce nice.
it sounds nice.
How is it?
Mm.
Good?
Come on.
Yeah man, I like that.
Yeah, family. Fish good.
Like a tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce, roast.
Yeah.
Kimo, taste it. How it tastes?
Bring 2 fork and spoon.
Good.
Just slap it on. 2 fork and 2 spoons.
Corn.
Corn, yeah.
Corn. Good.
Me not complain.
Nah. You stick it in it like that.
Yeah, man. You don't complain, no wicked.
Yeah, man. African food. Coconut rice. I mean, alone boring today with ugali. Never know say the food. Never know the food that's so good.
Support local kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Up. We'll take a mocky more add to this. Let them have more around there. Yeah, family, so let's dig in. Yeah, family, so we're there check out Juicy Delight. Andre said the best juice you ever have.
And I have best juice never drink.
Yeah, yeah.
The big juice. Oh, I've never done tomato juice that tastes good.
Yeah. The,
Winning.
tomato juice, winning. So when you come on Cambridge Road, K-Mall, Juicy Delight. And over here, so we have Peruzi. Azuri. Yeah, family, so we're there and we enjoy. Let's go. Big up Peruzi, big up Juicy.
From Jamaica. Thank you very much. I'm home. I'm back home. Yes. Thank you. Appreciate it. My
Yeah,
friend.
man, respect. Juice nice. Alright, family. Let's go.
Oh,
if you're on Candy County side, come to this place. What's the name of the place?
Best Swahili and African dishes.
Hazul, no.
Alright, Pazuri. So come to Pazuri Grill right here at Campbell Road in Campbell.
This coconut rice open.
Put some of this spoon.
Taste it.
Right.
Alright then.
Taste the coconut.
Wait long time for food. Wait long time. So let's see if it works it, but trust me. Flavors are burst. Alright, I'll try the pork. We in Jamaica. We eat the best pork in the world. Everybody know that. Jamaicans, this is the debate. Jamaicans eat the best pork in the world. So I'm gonna try the pork right now. It's in the fast. Yo, that pork.
Good job, bro.
Oh, honey pork, right?
Honey pork. Right.
Honey pork. Yo, the pork bomb. That a Muslim can eat pork. Then a Rasta eat that. It's good. Not to no lie. The pork is actually a kick. The fish a kick.
You burn 5 minutes, though?
Me? No, we can't eat that one. But me have the sunny side, that's fine. Yes, there, Amish.
Fish, good.
Good?
Up. And ready, flavorful, nice.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
So we're there to eat. I'll link up today.
Yeah. Good call, gentlemen. Good call.
Good call. Local food.
Good call.
Never disappoint us today.
Yeah. Gas nearly killed me, but we're alright.
Yeah. We waited too long for the food, but it was worth it. You got Kenya. You got the Kenyan people and the Kenyan farmers. You got the people who are supplying the natural food, the organic food. So these restaurants can actually get good stuff. Overall,
Yeah, family, so we finished eat. And the food was good. And everybody enjoy. What you have to say, Andre, where you say the food? Food good.
We never really get a DJ and a hotspot that man. Now they yeah, man.
Mokimo.
Mokino. Forgive me, people. Don't judge me.
Yeah.
yes, I learned
I learned it. Mokimo was good.
Yeah, Mokimo.
Honestly, it's good.
Yeah.
the fish with the tomato sauce. Yeah.
All right, family. All right, family. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. You know what I mean? Let me know when you're coming to Kenya. Comment below. Comment.